A single misplaced button can unravel an entire outfit, creating chaos you never expected. Think about your drawers overflowing with mismatched buttons. A tiny, forgotten treasure trove. This seemingly small problem of button disarray can actually affect your daily routine significantly. It's a common household issue that many people face, leading to frustration and wasted time. But understanding how buttons get so out of control is the first step to reclaiming order. This isn't just about tidiness. It's about efficiency and preserving the life of your clothes. Without a system, those tiny fasteners become a source of unexpected stress. So, what exactly causes this button chaos, and how can we conquer it easily? Imagine a small jar holding every button you've ever found loose or removed from clothing. This collection grows silently, often tucked away in a forgotten corner of a craft box. You might have a stray button from a favorite shirt you no longer own, or perhaps a handful from a coat that saw better days years ago. These orphan buttons accumulate, demanding attention they rarely receive. The real magic happens when you start categorizing them systematically. Think of it like sorting a deck of cards, but with more varied shapes and sizes. First, gather all loose buttons from every room in your house, no exceptions. Next, group them by size, from the minuscule shirt buttons to larger coat fasteners. Then separate them by color, creating distinct piles of reds, blues, and neutral tones. This visual sorting makes the task less daunting and surprisingly satisfying. But that's not the strangest part of this organizational journey. Now consider the material. Plastics, metals, and wood each deserve their own category. This granular approach helps you quickly find the perfect match later on. You're essentially creating a personal button inventory, a mini department store. For unique or decorative buttons, create a special section for future projects. This method transforms clutter into a valuable resource for mending and crafting. Wait until you hear what comes next for these sorted treasures. Once categorized, the next step is finding the ideal storage solution for them. Small tackle boxes with many compartments work wonderfully for this purpose. Alternatively, repurpose old spice jars or small glass containers for a charming display. Clear containers are best, allowing you to see your collection at a glance. Labeling each compartment or jar ensures you always know what's inside. This prevents rummaging and saves precious minutes when you need a specific button. And then something unexpected happened to my own button collection. The impact of this simple organization is far greater than you might imagine. You'll discover that mending clothes becomes a quick and easy task. No more delaying repairs because you can't find the right button quickly. This saves money by extending the life of your favorite garments considerably. It also sparks creativity for new sewing projects or embellishments. Imagine easily finding that perfect vintage button for a craft project you envisioned. Your wardrobe will thank you for the attention to these small but vital details. It's a small habit that leads to a more sustainable and mindful lifestyle. This organized system prevents future clutter from accumulating again. You'll feel a sense of accomplishment and control over your belongings. The visual order brings a surprising sense of calm to your space. It's about appreciating the small things that make a big difference daily. So take a few hours and tackle that button jar. You won't regret it. Transforming chaos into order is a powerful feeling, indeed. If you found these tips helpful, please subscribe for more clever home organization hacks. Give this video a like if you're inspired to organize your buttons today. Let us know in the comments what other small organizational challenges you face. Subscribe to explore more amazing discoveries, and let me know in the comments what fascinates you most.